Twist this piece here, and it comes off of the pizzeria, and this will help you open up the pizzeria to find the hidden pizza inside. But when we take this piece off of here, we still can't remove this roof from the pizzeria, so we have to flip over onto this side of the puzzle and remove the window. This is the Pizzeria Italiano puzzle. It is designed by Ginosergio and printed by Nothing Yet Designs. The goal in this puzzle is to find the pizza hidden inside. This puzzle is a level 8 on the Puzzle Master's difficulty scale, which runs from 5 to 10. If you'd like to get the pizzeria and solve it for yourself, make sure you go check it out at puzzlemaster.ca. And if you want to see more fun puzzle solves from Puzzle Master, make sure you click that subscribe button. So now that we've removed the window, we can actually next take this piece and remove it from here. Once we do that, that allows us to lift off the chimney. Now this next step we could have done in one or two ways. We could have left this inside and put this in here to pull off the top of the chimney, or we can do it this way. That now reveals a pin hidden inside. At this point here, we can now lift off the roof, and this now reveals a red herring from within the puzzle. And if we flip this over at this point here, we get this piece out and this piece. Now this puzzle has so many tools, it's hard to figure out where to use the tools and which ones are going to act as a red herring or which ones are actually meant to help you solve the puzzle. Now we can twist this piece in here and try to pull this out, but this isn't going to do anything right here. All this is for is holding this piece in place. Next, we can take this and try place it in here and push on here, but this one again is not going to do anything. And then we can try this one in here as well and try push it from this side, but this one's not going to do anything yet either. You actually need to take the pin at this point and place it inside of here. Now that we've done that, we can take this piece and push it in from this side. This pushes this door off over here, and we can now reveal the pizza oven hidden within. With only one step left, we can take this piece, insert this inside of here, and insert this into the pizza oven. Push this piece in, and this now reveals the hidden pizza within. To get the pizzeria puzzle for yourself, go check it out at puzzlemaster.ca. And if you want to see other fun sequential discovery puzzles just like this, make sure you click this video right here.